Hello, friends. I hope you all are in good health. Today, we are going to see some of the birds drinking, hiding, walking, pecking, photobonding, and running, biting, talking, dancing, and flying. So today we have come to visit the Essel World Bird Park in Korai. This bird park is said to be India's first interactive bird theme park, and I am going to show you why it is so called. As soon as you enter, you will be directed towards the duck pond. This is a bridge which goes along the duck pond and enters the lakelet, which is a lake with a small river like stream to it. Along with the ducks, this pond is also shared by a school of fish. We were lucky enough to see the feeding of these ducks, and it was hilarious to see how the handlers had to get all the ducks together to feed them. Now let's walk towards the Mocktail with Cocktail Shack. This tree house is one of its own kind. It has a glass floor, and from here you can easily see the ducks floating on the water. The sulfur cockatoo, they are mainly found in Indonesia. This bird park is India's first exotic bird park, which takes you up close with some of the most fascinating sights and sounds from the avian world. This park is spread over an area of 1.5 acres. This is the Woodpecker Stadium. Now here we will be interacting with few of the exotic birds, and here we have one.
My name is Saurabh. I work here as a bird handler and today we are going to have a presentation. So yes guys, this is Rio. इसका नाम रियो है. आप में से कोई बता सकता है कौन सी स्पीशीज का बर्ड है? नाम आप इतना बड़ा क्या? इसके जो पैटर्न्स है वो हर पंखाओं में डिफरेंट होते हैं. So yes, this is real ostrich का अंडा ही है. कोई बता सकता है कौन सी स्पीशीज का बर्ड है? ले लिया है उसने 5 सेकंड के अंदर अंदर ही उसका चूरा करके. देखो दिस इज फ्लैश. इसका नाम फ्लैश है. आई एम श्योर आप फोन लेने आए. Yes guys, that's our sulfur-crested cockatoo.
This walk-in aviary is home for over 400 exotic birds from more than 50 species of volant, terrestrial and aquatic birds. Some of the star birds are African grey parrot, blue gold macaw, cockatoo, toucan, ostrich, wood duck, crowned crane and many other. Right now we are at the rock deck, and here we have the interactive kiosk which will show you all the required information about a particular species of birds. Now we are entering the caged section of the exotic birds. Though this is a caged section, but some of the intelligent birds have made their escape, and you can see them roaming around freely. Did you hear how he whistled? And now he is dancing. Soon he will be reunited with his family. See how happy he is. And their kid has also joined the lunch. Now let us enter the rainforest area along with this duck family. This park gives us an unique opportunity to not just watch and observe, but also immerse ourselves into the enchanting world of feather creatures and interact with them in their natural habitat. This park has been curated by the world's leading ornithologists to create an experience that is truly authentic and enjoyable while keeping the health and safety of the birds uppermost in their conscience. I hope you are enjoying this journey, and if you do so, do show your love by hitting the subscribe button and sharing it as much as you can so that everyone can experience this beautiful bird park in Gorai. Now we are reaching the end of this bird park and we will be finishing with the great ostrich. Now if you have noticed, they have taken care about each and every species in this bird park. For an ostrich, they have created a desert-like condition, and you can see that well because there is sand all over this place. And from here, we are directed towards the souvenir shop and then the exit. As soon as you move out, one of this bus will take you towards the Water Kingdom point, and then this toy train will take you towards the jetty. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, share and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.